Hey, namaste everyone. Master Praveen, and first of all, wish you all a very happy Vietnamese Teacher Day. That is the gratitude and the respect for the all teachers, guru, teachers, our acharyas, to each and everyone. So I welcome you in the Negru Yoga Boutique that is newly open in the 6A Hemlong, that is quite in the middle of city. That is a very new center, and we are coming with a very new concept, and that new concept I will describe you step by step. So first let's meet with our Negru Yoga family, Miss Queen and Miss Chang, and when you will come here, so they will welcome you. Of course I will be also welcome to all of you. So we are coming here. Firstly I'll let you introduce we are here about 7 or 8 depth child teachers. So here it's me, Master Praveen, Master Lakshay, Master Ajay, Master Virender, Master Chetan, and Master Suresh, and Master Devender. So all are the very good and the very well-known yoga teachers, and they all have the very talented and have a very good experience in the Vietnam, and all are very handsome too, including me. Here the one new concept, this is a very professional things, and this is very convenient for all the members. Like, we have the application. In that app, like when you are coming in the yoga class, so you can easily book your class. In the one day we are providing about 6 class in one studio, and in the beginning we are operating the 2 studio, means in one day you will have 12 classes. So our project is about, we are giving some normal classes, and normal classes you can be find different styles of the classes. That classes, the theme is the depth classes about the beginner, for the intermediate, and of course later on will be start some advanced series too, but in the initially we will be focused all level, beginner level and the intermediate level, and all kind of the you can be find it. Okay, we talk and I let you review about the center. So one good thing that the studio in the 2nd floor and the 3rd floor, and we do not have that elevator. Why? The reason is because when you will stair, when we do come on the stair, so it will give you the enough warm up, and when you come in the class you have enough enthusiastic, and that energy you can be used that. So this is our first studio on the 2nd floor. So I welcome you here. This is the one space where member can be sit, and they can be take out their shoes, and they can be wash their hand before they start the class. And this is the one personal changing room, and the one personal toilet and the washroom, where you can be, what we have to be doing in the toilet. So so this is studio. So one good thing why we are saying the yoga boutique, because here a lot of lighting effect, because here we have the limited seats in the one class. Maximum we are taking the members in the one class about 8 to 9 members. In between we are taking the members in the class, because most of the studio you can be find a lot of members in the class, and for any teacher it's a very big challenge to take care, to adjust and correct all the members. So here we will try, of course this is our responsibility being a teacher, that will be focused more. A lot of lightings, yes. So we can be focused more on the members, especially if someone is a very new and they never have that experience. So this can be, teacher can be focused more, and teacher can be give personal assistance to the members. And this is the another good thing here, that we have that open space, and we can have a natural air from outside, because usually can be see in the studios you can be find a artificial air con, and artificial air can be very harmful sometimes, because body sometimes during the practice of the yoga, body's temperature is so high, and when you directly come impact with the air con, so it can be have the wrong and the bad effect in the body. So we have that. This is a very good opportunity and a very good things that the natural air can be. So this is the studio can be see. Okay, I let you see, I take you about you can see the aura. Beautiful, right? Come on. So we'll have each and every floor, we also have the personal PT studio. If some students they want to have a one-on-one training in the group PT, one member, one teacher, two member, and one teacher, in the three member and one teacher. So this space we are using for the personal training. So personal training, you all know, like someone they have some different desires. Someone want to be focused more on their self. Someone want to be focused. They want to be increase their more knowledge about the yoga, and someone want to be focused more on their flexibility. Someone want to be focused more on the therapy. So personal training, this is also we are giving this project, and we are giving this facility to our members. Okay, I take you. We have the another one. Come on. This is a really good thing that you have to be walk, and you have to be use your energy here, and each and every place you will find a lot of plants, and you will feel a natural environment here. There is nothing so much artificial, nothing so many things like this. So this is on the third floor. Third floor will have a same studio as on the second floor. Same concept. We have same relaxing area, the personal toilet here we have, and the same. So this is Negru brand, this is the logo, and you can find, can you see that one theme of this Negru brand, that is the green color. Green is the sign of the nature. So this is, can you see that? And each and every floor we have this facility for the natural air. Here we go. So this is, we can be see a very beautiful view outside, and the main thing that the natural air can be inside. This is not that you have to be only focused on the just only on the air con and that. So this is really very nice thing. Another thing about the concept of here, like how the thing is making, we are making the different, because we are giving the normal classes which I already explained, but at the same time we are also focusing on the special series. So special series, what we are going in the special series. So in the special series you can be say special course, you can be say special batch, you can be say, and special classes you can be say, you can say any name you can be give that. So in that what we are giving it, we are giving like the weight loss, we are giving the yoga therapy, and some more are coming. I will not tell you everything right now. So slowly all the concept, all the new project is coming one by one. So because someone really want to go for the weight loss series, because you know obesity is a very common problem nowadays, and because of obesity you can see like a lot of another problem can be arise in the body. So okay, let me close this. And another special batches we are going to be start from the next month, that is the yoga therapy. Yoga therapy we choose this time because nowadays a lot of problems are going on, like the back pain, for the shoulder pain, the neck pain, different disease are going on. So we will be focused more on that. So yoga therapy means the treatment which will be given by the yoga. So in the yoga therapy series we will be only focused on particular disease and particular problem. So that series is a totally different. Normal classes we are also giving that, but in that special series that we will only focus on that concept. So this is about this. So we'll have the normal classes, and the special series we'll have, and then personal trainings we have. So you can see a lot of things are going on. A very good teacher, very talented teacher, and they almost have a very good experience in the Vietnam. Almost teacher can be also speak the Vietnamese and can be English. They all can be managed with that. And tomorrow we are going to start our promotion day, and like Saturday and Sunday we are giving the free classes. Almost the slot are full, but I will give you the link, and I will also give in the description under this video. You can be go through that, you can be find, you can be book any slot, and you all are welcome to join it. On the routine and the normal classes we are going to be start from Monday. So means 2 on South. Next week we are going to be start, and you all are welcome here. and give us the chance to give you our service, and I'm pretty sure you will love it, and you will be like it. If you really want to go with the real yoga, the traditional yoga, so definite you should give us a one chance to join this Nigru yoga, and you will be love it, because we are giving different style of the classes. You can be find in the schedule, so you can be choose, and you can be book any class. So thank you so much. Namaste, Hari Om, Om Shanti, Sing Chao.